Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to provide some technical analysis on some of our plays. First of all, IQST, we're going to look at that one. They came out with an article yesterday that says that basically they're still on track for a NASDAQ uplisting, okay, which sparked the price from 46 all the way about 55, but we are getting some selling pressure down here. But I want to just go over the technicals on this here, then ZNOG, and then EEENF. So overall bottom floor here is about 35 cents. Currently your support's 50 cents, and red SMA line here is about 59. So we want to get above about 59.5 to 60 cents and hold in order to confirm a reversal. First level up of resistance is about 62, then 70, then 78, 80, 8.5, let's call it 89, and then $1.05 is your overall tip top ceiling. So currently at about right below fair value. We are currently in a bearish pattern, but slowly making our way, trying to transition into a bullish pattern. Just need a little bit more buying pressure and some volume on that end. Next up is ZNOG. So your overall floor again is 10 cents. Currently right underneath 12 cents. So I had a nice little spike up all the way to roughly about 20 cents and some change, and only just to come straight down. So and it looks like we're just getting started here, so we're probably going to go back down, unfortunately, to about 10 cents. But the fortunate part is you can come in and buy some more, but the unfortunate part is it's just not holding. Okay, it's not it starts spiking up and it just comes straight back down. So we need to maintain that volume and that price action above about 17 cents. I would say about 20 to 21 cents would actually be the most healthy thing to hold in order for us to think that we're going to continue to move back up. Okay, so currently your floor is at about 10 cents, and then 21.5, roughly 30 cents, 37 cents, 43, 51, and then all the way to 64 cents. Kind of crazy that this thing is not, that it fell all the way back down right here, but it doesn't mean that we can't come back in on Monday and push up and start retesting that 17, 18 cent mark. It just doesn't look like we will. It looks like we'll continuously start to kind of slow down and slowly bleed out like we've been doing until they come out with some news about oil. So anyway, just keep an eye on that one. If you're bullish and long, congratulations, because you have some more time to accumulate some shares. That's the best part about this situation. Okay, next up on EEENF, we're going to evaluate the cup and handle pattern that we talked about, and looking like it is forming exactly what we wanted it and how we wanted it, and doing exactly what we wanted it to do. So we said we wanted it to hold and bounce off of that 2.5 cent mark at the worst case and not break, and it didn't. Okay, which is great. It popped all the way back up to 0.028. So I expect us to push back forward and retest at least minimum this 4 cent mark here. Don't be scared to take profits at this point here, because I think we bust through that 4 cent mark, it'll fall back down unless we get news on some type of news on the well, them spudding the new well. That might push it a little bit further than that, but overall it's setting up pretty nice for that cup and handle pattern. I think we're going to see it come through, but again, once we have a huge run up from here all the way past that 4 cent, maybe that 5 cent mark, then don't be afraid to take some profits, because it probably will pull back down, and then you can buy back in with more money to get more shares from that point, unless you're long and you bought down here like at 1 cent and you're like, it's just a pullback, I'll wait it out. But if you bought it here at about 2 cents, maybe 3 cents, then it may not be a bad idea when it when it pops up to here, 4 cents, 4.5 cents, take some profits off the table, or take your initial investment out and then let the rest ride out, because I'm sure there's a lot of people that have a ton of shares in this thing as cheap as it is. So anyway, guys, just wanted to provide that update for you for these 3 stocks. Let me know your comments below. Also, want to encourage everyone to pray for those people in Ukraine at this time, and pray for everyone around around the world, because it's kind of a sad situation, and you just hate to see that type of stuff. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Catch you in the next one. Have a great weekend, and talk to you later.